Today I'm going to look at a typical question in the rhythm section of a grade 5 music theory examination. What they will do is they'll give you a rhythm and then they'll also give you 3 different time signatures, and you have to decide which of those time signatures is going to fit this rhythm. Now, in order to do that, we're going to look at two main ways of figuring that out. The first is to simply count the quavers or count the crotchets. And the second is to see the groupings that the notes are in. Very important. For example, if I can just show you the differences in two situations where you've got 6 quavers in a bar. In this one, we've got 3 crotchet beats in a bar. And we've got 6 quavers here, but it's 1 crotchet beat, 2 crotchet beats, 3 crotchet beats. And in this one, we've got 6 quavers in a bar still, but it's 2 dotted crotchet beats. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then another group of 1, 2, 3 quavers. So the differences between those are that this 3 crotchet beats in a bar is going to go 1 and 2 and 3, and so 1, 2, 3. And this 6/8 with 6 quavers in a bar is going to go 1 da da 2 and da. So 1 and a 2 and a. So in this 3/4 you've got 1, 2, 3, and this 6/8 you've got 1 and a 2 and a. Puts a completely different feel to your music and actually also to the answer. Let's go straight to the first question. We can just count the quavers, and crotchet has got 2 quavers in it. There's 3, there's 4, 5 for 2 semiquavers, 6 with another 2 semiquavers, 7, 8, 9. So straight away, actually, I see we've got 9 quavers and there's a lovely 9/8 sticking over there. So I'm thinking 9/8 straight away. But let's also look at the groupings. Now, here I can see if it's 9/8, I've got 3 dotted crotchet beats in a bar. Here's my first dotted crotchet grouping, lovely typical dotted crotchet grouping. So there's 1 quaver, 2 quavers, 3 quavers, lovely another group sitting out there for us. And here's another quaver, 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 definitely a 9/8. Now we're going to have a look at this. And we see we've got a double dotted quaver, followed by a demi-semiquaver. So as soon as I see this demi-semiquaver, I think, well, I really ought to split this down into demi-semiquavers to help me. So I'm thinking the quaver is worth 4 demi-semiquavers. The first dot is half the value of the quaver, so it's worth 2 demi-semiquavers. And the second dot is worth half the value of the first dot, so it's worth 1 demi-semiquaver. So I've got 4 plus 2 plus 1 demi-semiquavers. That's 4, 5, 6, 7 demi-semiquavers there in that double dotted quaver. Then I've got a demi-semiquaver here, so that's 8 demi-semiquavers. Now 8 demi-semiquavers is equal to 2 quavers. Wow! So we've done that, we've got 2 quavers there. They look like they're in a nice group too. So here we've got 1 quaver, and we've got a triplet here. So it's a tripleted 3 semiquavers. Now the triplet means that we've got 3 notes but they're played in the time of 2. So we're going to treat this as 2 semiquavers. So we've got a quaver and 2 semiquavers, so that's another 2 quavers there. So 2, 4. Now we've got a semiquaver rest. So that's going to make another quaver, 5. And here's another quaver, 6 quavers. And then we've got a crotchet, which is worth 2 quavers. We've got 8 quavers. So immediately I'm thinking, oh, 8 quavers. So 9/8 is out of the question for sure. So, but if we've got 8 quavers, we've got 4 crotchets. So it's definitely that one for me. But I'm going to look at the groupings as well, just in case. So here, 2 quavers, a crotchet. Here, 2 quavers is a crotchet. Here's 2 quavers is a crotchet. And here's, well, 2 quavers again, a crotchet. So we've got 4 crotchets, lovely in their groupings as well. They know where to go. So the answer here is going to be 4/4. Well done. Well, if you're still with me, let's go on to the last question here. Let's count the quavers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember that triplet means that we've got 3 notes in the time of 2. 6, 7. Let's do that again. 1 quaver. That's the second quaver. Third quaver. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. So 7, 8, it's here. It's an irregular time signature. So that's how we're going to complete the first question. As I say, this isn't actually the one that you're going to get in the exam room, but it's typical of one that you'll get in the exam room. Now, I've got a website. It's www.learngrade5theory.org, and there are a series of videos going through everything you'll need to know for grade 5 theory. Do go and look at it and see if there's anything that can help you, any of your questions, and do get in touch with me through the website if you've got any questions and I can help you with them. Okay, bye for now.